Hey guys, let's talk about this voltage tester that I got on Amazon. You can just use to test the hot and the neutral on your outlets or whatever you want to test, okay? So that's the one, you see here, that's the brand. And here you see that comes with two AAA batteries. It's already here inside. You don't need to buy the batteries, it comes with them, right? You just insert here and you close it and you just turn it on. There's a button here that you just need to press, turn it on, and you hear a beep. And here you can just test. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna test this power strip. I just come here and I put it here, that way, and you see this flashing, right? And shows here, let me just show it one more time here, closer. There we go. Shows here the power. And when I try another one here, like say the neutral, for example, so you see it, the difference, right? So it works pretty fine. You can just test everything, and you can use here also this lantern, right? If you're, let's say, in a dark location, you need to test something, you can just use like this. So it works pretty fine, it's pretty good, and it gets the job done, right? And you can get this on Amazon. I'll leave the link here in the description. And if you like this video, please subscribe, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.